welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have a small unboxing. I'll go ahead and get this unboxing out the way so when I come home from work, I can go ahead and start playing with my new item. I like to do an official unboxing. Like, I don't like to open it first. I like to open it with y'all because y'all like my girlfriends, so I like to share with y'all first. Of course, yes, y'all, Louis Vuitton, but as you can see, it's a small box, then really small. And here is your what is it, your return information, my receipt and everything. And like I said, I always write myself a little note, and it says I love you, and it's also on the Louis Vuitton paper. So here is the little old box, and I know y'all like, okay, what did you get now, Miss Tamika? I did purchase myself something from Louis Vuitton, and I ordered this because I do have a new bag. So with my new bag, I felt like I wanted to get a new wallet. So here is the drawer. So as you can see, it's something small. That's what the small item is. Girl, you ready? You ready? The girl got herself the Damier Ebene Victorine wallet. I did get it in the rose ballerine. They do have this in the red that matches my delightful. No, I keep saying delightful. That matches my graceful, but I didn't want to get red. I wanted the pink interior. This here button is pink. I did hear a lot of people say they had issues with this button being pink. Now I do have the Emily wallet, and I will compare both when I do a review on this here wallet, because the Emily wallet, if y'all didn't know, had the colorful button, and the Emily wallet, I think, what color was that for me? The what was it, the red wallet. So it's like a really small compact wallet. I have downsized my bags, so I wanted something small and cute. Like I said, the only Louis Vuitton wallet I have at the moment is the Emily wallet, and I had that wallet since I think 2012 or 14. So of course that wallet is old, but it don't look old. But I just wanted something new because of the fact that it's like one of the longer wallets. You do get 6 card slots here. Also have back pockets here, and then you also have another back pocket right here. Here at the top is where you place your bills. You also can put some coins in here. And this is where the Louis Vuitton and the item number. Now I will say this here wallet was a little hard to get. It was like constantly sold out. So when I saw that it was available, I jumped on it and purchased the wallet. You do have a pink pull tab. This here is Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy. You don't have anything on the back side. So yeah, I felt like I wanted to upgrade my wallet. I did get a new bag. I did get the Damier Ebene because, like I said before, I do have the new graceful PM in the checker print, well, the Damier print, but the inside is red. But I was like, okay, long as I have this matching the bag, I'm fine with the inside pink, because I love pink. Now I know I may have to baby this just a little bit because of the inside color is light. Yeah, you all, I just wanted to share my new Louis Vuitton piece. I will grab my Emily wallet really quick so y'all can see. To show you my Emily wallet, like I said, I had this wallet since, I want to say like 2014. It still looks like it's a brand new wallet. The only thing is, now here is the button. Button is not that bad for me to have had it this long. Like, it's not worn down like some people say they buttons that bad. For me to have had this since 2014. Now the only thing I will say is the card slots kind of like bent up a little bit. The only thing, I did get this here hot stamp. Like I said, I could have used this, but I didn't want to, only because it was big and I wanted something small. I will really quick show you how my stuff fit in here. Going to grab a few of my cards and put in here. It is a little tight, and that's because of the fact that it is a brand new card. I mean, a brand new wallet, so of course you know with that it's going to be a little tight. I was able to place 4 cards in here nicely. Like, it's not tight to where you have a hard time pulling it out, only because of the fact that it's a brand new wallet. A few dollars, so I can show you. I have 10, 11, 12, 13, about $14. So here in the back you can place bills. Now I don't always carry money, but I do like to have some money on me sometimes, just in case my daughter need money for school or whatever. So everything closes perfectly. And I did hear someone say that they had an issue with, like, something was hanging on the side or something, like the card slots or something. I have to go back and watch the video, but I'm not sure if I'll be putting coins in here, only because of the fact that the way it's made, and then it's kind of tight. If I do put coins in here, it may be just a few, just in case I may need it for something. Because even though I use my card, if I do need change for anything, I'll have at least a few coins. I did place coins in here, and as you can see, the inside didn't get messed up or whatever, so I wasn't scared to use this for coins. I don't know if you can see how this looks. I don't know why this canvas like did that. Can you see that? I don't know, it's like puckering up, or I don't know what's going on here. Like, I don't know. The only thing as far as this wallet, and then I had this gray mark on here. I don't know where that came from, but yeah, I may get this here piece hot stamp with my initials, only because of the fact that the gold against this pink will really look cute. Like I said, it closed perfectly. So this here will be my new piece that will go along with my new graceful PM in the damier checker print. So yeah, you all, I wanted to share this really quick unboxing. And when I say really quick, like really quick unboxing, so I can go ahead and play with this when I get home from work. If y'all have this here particular wallet, let me know down below how, you know, how y'all wallet held up. And also let me know, if you do have this wallet, how long you had this wallet, just so I can know, you know, how is the wear and tear on your particular wallet. First, this is a really fast unboxing, so when I get home, I am going to go and look through the glazing and make sure everything is everything, because I did hear that Louis Vuitton has gotten a little sloppy with a lot of different things. So, but like I said, so far so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this here video, because it's about time for me to get ready to leave. So with that being said, you all, if you like this here unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and my notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.